Imagine scientists detecting radio signals coming from deep beneath Antarctic ice that completely defy everything we know about physics. What if I told you these mysterious pulses could be evidence of something we've never seen before? In the last few months, the scientific world has been turned upside down by signals that shouldn't exist, according to our current understanding of the universe. Scientists in Antarctica made a discovery in 2025 that has left the entire physics community absolutely baffled. The Antarctic Impulsive Transient Antenna experiment, known as ANITA, detected a series of bizarre radio signals emerging from deep beneath the ice that completely violate the established laws of particle physics. These aren't just unusual readings, these are impossible signals that challenge the very foundation of everything we understand about how particles behave in our universe. The ANITA experiment consists of a sophisticated array of instruments flown on high-altitude balloons above Antarctica, specifically designed to detect radio waves generated when cosmic rays collide with Earth's atmosphere. For years, this system worked exactly as expected, capturing predictable patterns that aligned perfectly with our theoretical models. But then, something changed. The detectors began picking up signals that made absolutely no sense. These anomalous radio pulses appeared to be coming from beneath thousands of kilometers of solid rock and ice, traveling upward through the Antarctic continent before reaching the balloon instruments floating in the stratosphere. Here's why this is so mind-blowing. According to everything we know about physics, this should be completely impossible. When particles travel through dense matter like rock, they interact with the material and lose energy. By the time they've passed through even a few kilometers of rock, the signal should be completely absorbed and undetectable. Yet these signals not only survived the journey through thousands of kilometers of Antarctic bedrock, they arrived at the detectors strong enough to be clearly measured. Dr. Sarah Wissel from Penn State University, one of the lead researchers on the international team investigating this phenomenon, stated that by their calculations, the anomalous signal had to pass through and interact with thousands of kilometers of rock before reaching the detector. The signal should have been completely absorbed, rendering it undetectable, but it wasn't. It reached the instruments loud and clear, defying all expectations. The research team immediately began cross-referencing their findings with other major particle detection facilities around the world. They checked with IceCube, another massive detector located at the South Pole, and with the Pierre Auger Observatory in Argentina. If these signals were caused by known particles like neutrinos, which can sometimes pass through matter, these other detectors should have picked up corresponding readings. But here's the truly unsettling part. None of the other detectors registered anything that could explain what ANITA detected. The signals appeared exclusively on ANITA's instruments, with no corroborating evidence from any other facility. This led the researchers to officially classify these detections as anomalous, meaning the particles causing the signals are most likely not neutrinos or any other particle we currently know about. The implications are staggering. These signals do not fit within the standard model of particle physics, the comprehensive framework that has successfully explained particle behavior for decades. We're looking at evidence that either our understanding of physics is incomplete or we're witnessing something entirely new. Several theories have emerged attempting to explain these impossible signals. One of the most intriguing suggestions is that we might be detecting evidence of dark matter. Dark matter makes up approximately 85% of all matter in the universe, yet we've never been able to directly detect it. Could these Antarctic signals be our first glimpse of this elusive substance? Other researchers have proposed even more exotic explanations, including the possibility of unknown particles that interact with matter in ways we've never observed before, or even evidence of physics beyond the standard model that could revolutionize our understanding of the universe. But here's what makes this mystery even more compelling. Despite intensive follow-up observations using IceCube and other detection facilities, no additional evidence has been found. The signals remain unexplained, sitting in our data like ghostly whispers from beneath the ice, challenging us to expand our understanding of reality itself. If you're loving this mystery as much as I am, make sure you're subscribed to this channel and hit that notification bell. We're constantly bringing you the most fascinating scientific discoveries and unexplained phenomena from around the world. Don't miss out on the next mind-blowing story. The research team continues their investigation, deploying additional monitoring equipment and refining their detection methods. Every day brings the possibility of new data that could finally crack this mystery wide open. Are we on the verge of discovering a new fundamental particle? Could this be evidence of dark matter interactions we've theorized about but never observed? Or is this something even stranger, pointing toward physics we haven't even imagined yet? The scientific community remains divided. Some researchers believe we're witnessing instrumental anomalies or unknown atmospheric phenomena that could eventually be explained within existing physics frameworks. Others are convinced we're standing at the threshold of a paradigm shift in our understanding of the universe, similar to the revolutionary discoveries of quantum mechanics and relativity that transformed physics in the early 20th century. What makes this discovery particularly significant is its timing. In recent years, multiple experiments around the world have detected subtle anomalies that don't quite fit our current models. Individually, these oddities could be dismissed as experimental errors or statistical fluctuations, but taken together, they suggest we might be approaching the limits of the standard model, with nature hinting at deeper layers of reality waiting to be uncovered. The Antarctic signals stand as some of the most compelling evidence yet that something extraordinary is happening. These aren't vague or disputed measurements. These are clear, repeatable detections that have been thoroughly analyzed by some of the world's leading particle physicists, and they remain completely unexplained. As technology advances and our detection capabilities improve, we may finally solve this Antarctic mystery. New experiments are being planned, more sensitive instruments are being developed, and international collaboration between research facilities is intensifying. The answers might be just around the corner, or they might require entirely new theoretical frameworks that haven't been conceived yet. One thing is certain: beneath the pristine ice of Antarctica, something is sending signals that challenge everything we thought we knew about the universe. Whether these signals represent dark matter, unknown particles, or something even more extraordinary remains to be seen. But the quest to understand them is pushing the boundaries of human knowledge and reminding us that despite all our scientific achievements, the universe still holds profound mysteries waiting to be revealed. If this story fascinated you as much as it did me, leave a comment below with your theory about what these signals might be. Are we detecting dark matter, unknown particles, or something even stranger? And don't forget to like this video and share it with anyone who loves unsolved scientific mysteries. The truth is out there beneath the ice, and we're determined to find it.